Before you buy mouth tape, check the ingredients.
We started OI tape back in 2021 because there was nothing on the market that felt comfortable or was made for your mouth.
Some of them feel rough, sticky, chemically.
We've been best friends for over 20 years, and now we're both moms, so quality sleep became a priority really fast. That inspired us to develop a tape that was non-toxic, hypoallergenic, medical grade, and still gentle on sensitive skin.
We offer 2 versions based on people's experience level.
Vented is great for easing into mouth taping if you prefer a little airflow.
Non-vented if you prefer more of that full coverage.
And we're constantly refining what we make based on what our community asks for.
Bigger tape?
Done.
A non-vented version?
Let's do it. Even our central vent was designed intentionally, big enough to give you peace of mind, but not large enough to let you slip back into mouth breathing.
Many mouth tape brands out there focus on the material of the tape, promising high-end fabrics. What really matters is the adhesive. It's the part that touches your skin for 8 hours each night.
Majority are made with acrylic adhesives. OI tape is made with medical grade silicone entirely in the United States.
If you struggle with dry mouth, snoring, dental issues, or just want to wake up feeling clearer and more rested, OI tape is definitely worth trying.
Just something we spent years perfecting because we genuinely needed it ourselves. Click the link below to try it out.